Hey guys, I am Vashish Kapoor from vashishkapoor.com, and today we are going to talk about how you can start a blog with ChemiCloud web hosting plan. And today in this video I'll be discussing how you can buy one for yourself and my review about the plan. So let's get started. So guys, today we are going to talk about ChemiCloud.com, and let's get started with checking out the pricing, services, and what all ChemiCloud has to offer. To start with, let's see ChemiCloud.com website, which is the best web hosting experience ever. And if you're looking for web hosting options, ChemiCloud is a 24/7 award-winning support, and it gives you a free domain for your life. It offers shared web hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, and Cloud VPS hosting as well. So based on your needs, you can choose any one of these. To start a basic web blog, you just need a shared hosting plan and nothing more than that. So let's check out the pricing of a shared hosting plan. As you can see, it's shared hosting for every website and starts from just $3.95 per month when you choose the 3-year plan. But when you choose annually or biannually plan, it differs. So let me show you. If I choose biannually plan, the pricing will increase a bit. So if you want to make the best savings on your web hosting plan, you can choose the triannually plan, and you won't have to pay any extra penny after buying a plan for next 3 years. So let's check out the features of this starter plan, where you can host one website with 15 GB of disk space and unlimited bandwidth with a free lifetime domain. So as long as you will keep renewing your web hosting plan, your domain will also be getting renewed for free. And talking further about the pro plan, you get to host unlimited website, up to 25 GB of SSD disk space, unlimited bandwidth, a free lifetime domain, and free website migrations as well. And also you'll get 20 days backup of your website and a free SSL certificate. What extra you get is a priority 24/7 support and a single click backup feature, along with a 2x double of the CPU and RAM resources, which is enough for you to host a website that is fast enough to outrank your competitors. Everything that you get in the pro plan, but you still get a lot new things. So what more you get in the turbo plan is up to 10x faster page load speeds with extra caching features and 4x more traffic handled. So your server would be able to handle 4 times more traffic than a pro plan can do. And also you'll get free malware scans and removals, so in case your website gets hacked, it will be fixed for free by ChemiCloud. Here are some normal shared hosting features by ChemiCloud. You'll get one-click install for any of your favorite scripts like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. Or best thing you get from ChemiCloud is a free domain for life. Whenever you renew your web hosting plan, your domain will automatically get renewed. You'll get daily backups of your WordPress website or any type of website you host with them, and then you will get a free CDN, a cPanel access, which is the easiest to use control panel for your web hosting plan, and then you will also get email hosting for free within the web hosting plan. To help you get started, let's check out with the starter plan first. And here you can see it gives you an option to register a new domain, or if you have already bought a domain from somewhere else, you can choose that. But since it gives you a free domain for life, you can choose your desired domain right here, and it will register a domain for you. So type your desired domain name and click on check. It will check the availability of the domain. If it is available, it will be free for you to start a blog on that domain with a web hosting plan from ChemiCloud. So as you can see, by default it has selected the 36 months plan. which is the cheapest option for now. But if you want, you can choose a different billing cycle and it will reduce the bill amount for you. But to be honest, if you want to save the best bucks for yourself, then you should be choosing 36 months plan. Here you can choose a server location, the nearest, the best. I'm gonna choose Mumbai just to showcase that it is available, or let it be like whatever it is, and then go ahead with the add-ons. You can protect your website with a positive SSL, or a free SSL from Let's Encrypt, which won't cost you any extra penny. And then you can choose email security if you need, or if you don't want to add any extra penny to your bill, then you can choose none from there. And then there are SEO tools, and if you're willing to get that service, you can add it to your cart, and then the billing amount will be updated. And once you are ready, then click on checkout, and then here you will see the domain configuration. Here you will be notified if you want to add domain privacy to your order or not. If you are willing to hide your contact details from the public whois record, then you can choose this option. It will cost you $3.95 per year extra. If you don't choose that, the domain will be free for life. So as you can see, the domain is here, and you can see it has added $3.95 per year. If you don't want to pay for the domain privacy, click on this edit icon, then uncheck this checkbox and click on update your cart. Once you will update your cart, you will see that you are not charged any dollar for the domain registration. The only charge is for the web hosting plan. So once you have selected your domain, your web hosting plan, and the tenure you wish, then you can go ahead with the checkout process. Before that, you need to fill out your billing details and your account. You might have to create a new account on ChemiCloud with your details, and then you can choose the same details for your domain registration as a whois details. And then you can choose your payment method. You can choose your credit card, or you can check out with PayPal. And here you will get the option to join the mailing list or not, and then do is just make the payment and get your web hosting plan along with a free domain name activated right there in your ChemiCloud account. And once it is done, you'll be there to launch your first blog quickly on ChemiCloud. This was it from my side about how to get a web hosting plan from ChemiCloud. Video I'll be talking about how you can start a blog on this web hosting plan and launch your first WordPress blog. So guys, if you learned something new in this video, please like this video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I publish a new video. We'll see you in the next video.